Hi, friends, and welcome back to Art While Apart with me, Miss H. This week, we are going to look at tessellations and how to create a shape that tessellates. Well, before I introduce you to what tessellations mean, I want to show you one artist. His name is M.C. Escher, and he is really famous for creating optical illusions. That means he creates artwork that kind of tricks your brain into seeing different things. This piece is called Sky and Water. And I want to point out two things. There is one shape that is the bird's shape. And so I just outlined it in yellow so we can see it. And then there's a fish shape down here, and I outlined that in orange. Okay, so if you notice at the top, the bird is black, and then as we go through the piece, the bird gets darker and darker and darker, so it becomes more and more black. Okay, now if I take that same shape and I move it down, okay, it still is there. Now here's the cool thing. As my bird gets darker and darker, it's to blend in with the black background, right? Do you see that? So there, it still has the bird shape. And then if I move over here, well, look, there's the bird shape also. And then if I go even lower, I can still find where that bird shape would fit in. So it's like the bird and the fish are fitting together like puzzle pieces. There's no spaces in between, and they do not overlap. That means these shapes tessellate. Well, to prove it, let's test using the orange shape of the fish. As my fish goes further up the painting, it's becoming more and more white, meaning it's blending in with the top part of the background there. So I'm going to go up, up, up. And I still see the fish shape right here, even though it's getting lighter and more white. Then around here, I start to lose the shape, but it is still there, which is really cool. Okay, let's test it right here. Oh, yeah, I can see the fish shape. And then even up here, can I see the fish shape? I sure can. So M.C. Escher uses the two shapes, the bird shape in yellow and the fish shape in orange, to fit them together to create this picture. That is called tessellating. He's taking two shapes and he's going to put them together like puzzle pieces. And if they fit together perfectly and they do not overlap, that means it has tessellated. All right, watch the next video to learn more about tessellations, and then I have a fun project for you where you can create your own tessellation. All right, have fun.